I asked for privacy to be able to sort through everything, but I needed her to leave. And she did not. She did not respect that, so then I got upset.
Around 6 p.m. on October 29th, 2024, a call pulled Naperville police into what seemed like a simple Home Depot theft case, but the truth was far more horrifying. A woman was caught on camera allegedly pocketing over $1,600 worth of merchandise, an undeniably serious crime. However, instead of admitting her mistake, she did the unthinkable. She blatantly blamed her own mother. What makes someone so willing to betray their loved ones to escape punishment? Let's find out. I'm Kevin, and you're listening to Kevin Crime Stories. Each episode is a journey into the mind of the criminal, where darkness and light intersect, where good and evil are just a thought away. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any case, because sometimes the truth isn't in the verdict, but in the mind.
Sit down.
Sir?
Hi. We're not screaming. This is over with. We'll talk in just a second. When everyone's calm, we'll talk about it.
Right.
We're bringing the merchandise up.
Okay, what do we got, Dave?
Retail theft. She loaded a cart.
No,
All kinds of merchandise. Yeah.
Sir, I was having problems with her and I needed to get away, but she would not leave. Because I don't want her to leave.
All right, we'll talk about it in a second. Stop.
She is.
We'll stop.
She is part of it.
1 second, we'll stop.
If she were not provoking
I
me,
just told you to stop talking.
Right.
You're not in handcuffs right now, okay? You're not under arrest right now. But I need to sort this out, and I need to do it with you being calmly, without shouting. You got it?
That's fine.
Thank you.
Okay. That's right. You're good enough. You're 149 today.
So what happened?
Saw her just pick up a lot of selections, and then also she was grabbing up and she made all the selections she needed to. She grabbed Home Depot buckets and then started loading them up.
Okay.
Just arguing with her.
All right.
They were just fighting a lot in the store. But she knows what she was doing. They were selecting everything they can with the buckets.
Okay.
They went on the back of the store just to load the buckets up.
Okay.
And then she took the coat off, took the coat over the stuff.
All right. Yeah, give me what you got.
It's going to take a while.
All right.
I'll go in and check them out.
All right, sweet. All right. What's your name?
Florence. Oh, it's Barbara. I'm sorry. Barb.
What do you prefer?
Barb is fine.
Hi, Barb. I'm Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Let's start this over again, okay?
Sure.
Hi, I'm Matt. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Barb, can you tell me what happened?
What's that?
Can you tell me what happened?
I was trying to exit. I was trying to look for something in the store. My
What were you
mother
trying to look
is my
for?
ride, except that she is constantly pestering me. And so it escalated because I wanted to learn more about the tools. And then she wouldn't leave me alone, and I did not have the opportunity to use them.
What stuff were you looking to buy today?
Today, specifically,
Yeah.
I don't even know.
All right. Well,
No,
why were you here to?
specifically
I go to Home Depot
electrical tape.
I go to Home Depot all the time. I always have a very specific reason to come here.
Electrical tape.
So you need electrical tape.
Certainly.
Okay. What else was in your cart that you were planning on buying today?
No, I think that's almost irrelevant because she is the one
Well,
that
Barbara, it's
pestered me.
relevant to me. So
Oh, that's fine.
What
no,
were you taking out of the? What were you
I'm trying
bringing
to
with
think.
you out of the
So
store?
I came in with spackle and Pop Tops.
Okay, and that's what you came into the store with?
That's what I came into the store
Okay.
for.
What did you come? All right. So you came into the store for spackle, Pop Tops, and some electrical tape. And what did you leave with?
I was also looking for toilet paper. Okay. What did I leave with?
what'd you
I
leave
left with the education that I could have received at Home Depot.
What product specifically
It was what was in the cart.
What'd you
A
come
whole
out with
slew
the
of DeWalt tools, hand tools.
All right. What were you using those for?
What's that?
What were you going to use the DeWalt
This is a
tools for?
project that she stole.
What's the project?
It's a bathroom renovation.
Okay, so you're doing a bathroom renovation.
No,
And what
she-
DeWalt tools did you need for the bathroom renovation?
Right now,
Yeah.
immediately a saw, a hand saw.
Okay, so you need a handsaw. So that's not a DeWalt tool.
Yes, there are actually quite a number of them.
Well, I mean, you're leaving with hand tools, though. I'm assuming other power tools.
Oh, we don't need. I mean, at present, no.
Would
Just
you
a
wa-
crowbar.
So
But we already have one at home.
So you need a crowbar and a handsaw. But you walked out with other, like, DeWalt tools?
Yes, because she came in and wouldn't leave me alone, and I can't think. And the thing is, yes, but if I had a clearer mind and not a pestering woman going at me, I could make
1 second.
educated decisions. I could make clear decisions, and now it's just a lot of things.
Yeah, you inside or are you in the parking lot?
I have 2 detained in the parking lot. Okay.
Yes.
So you came out with some spackle, some electrical tape,
I mean, what?
a handsaw,
Yes.
and what else?
Possibly, no, I mean, I would have stuck with, you asked a different question, I would have stuck with probably the pop tops.
Okay. But what else did you come out with?
I can't even begin to tally that.
Alright, just
So,
having trouble remembering.
of
And
course.
that's okay.
Well, I was just trying to escape her.
Alright.
But the thing is that
What was she doing that was so bad?
she was following me and she would not leave. I asked for privacy. I literally, she should be. I asked for privacy to be able to sort through everything, but I needed her to leave.
Okay.
And she did not. She did not respect that. So then I got upset, and
Which one of these cars is yours?
I'm still bitter about it.
Hey Barb, which car is yours?
Oh, Barb, why don't you? I actually don't even know where it is.
Her mom.
It's not mine.
You don't have a car. So your car's here?
I'm her mother,
Okay.
and I know she's sick.
Okay.
She bought a lot of things, and I don't want her to waste so much money.
Okay.
So I traced her
Okay.
and asked her not to buy those
Okay.
things.
No, she
it's
did
not.
more than that.
It's because our house is full of things.
I appreciate the mediation.
Hey
yeah.
Barb, do you have an ID on you?
No, I'm sorry. I don't
You don't have any
one.
form of ID on you?
No, I'm sorry. No, I don't because no,
If you don't, you don't.
I don't even have. No, I don't
Not
have
a big
accurate
deal.
ID.
What's your legal name?
Florence Barber.
Florence Barber.
I mean, I would say
F-L-O-R-E-N-C-E.
Barb is fine. Yes.
What's it say on your ID?
Huh?
What does your ID say? Your
I'm
name
saying
is?
my ID is not correct, so I can't tell you.
Florence too. TWU.
No, that's her name, not mine.
the last
That's
name.
her name, not mine.
No,
I'm just trying to.
Her name is not mine.
Hey, Barb.
That is her name,
Barb,
not
what does it
mine.
actually say on your license?
Florence TWU.
Florence T.
TOO 2. Just 2. The number is fine.
TWU.
The number is.
That's our last
Well,
name.
I'm going to listen to her, okay? Barb. Florence
Yeah.
T-O-O, and then the last name?
Thanks. That's the last name.
T-O-O is the last name?
Yeah.
TWU.
No, that is her name, not my name.
Okay. You ever been arrested before?
Not under this name, no.
But you
As
you
this
have.
identity, no.
Okay. Do you have anything in the bag that would have been proceeds from inside?
I mean, that would have been the first thing I did. Certainly, however, this is not.
This is real quick. Do you have stuff from inside the store in your bag?
970 Sullivan Circle.
Steal anything from Whole Foods?
No.
Small mustache.
It's okay if you're checking here for things from inside the store?
No, I would prefer that this is the entire problem. It's a privacy issue. I would prefer that you not check the bag.
Alright, I can forego that just as long as you tell me there's nothing from the store in there.
I have to say that there's nothing from this store, yes.
Okay. You know how to stand up, Barb?
Be careful with the coffee mug. Yes, sir.
Alright. Okay, put your arms behind your back. You're under arrest right now. I need your hands behind your back.
000
Yeah.
9685.
Alright, Barb, we're going to go over this way, okay? Have a seat. Watch your head as you get in, okay?
Thanks. Daniela. She messed me up again. I have to edit the name.
Okay.
Thanks.
According to David, he's inside gathering everything. Would you mind just, if he's got a video and the receipts and any pictures of it, that'd be great.
Can I take this?
What's that?
Can I take this?
Oh, I got this, baby.
Come on.
I got this. Come on. You're too slow getting here, brother. Do you have an idea on Mom yet?
Yeah, I ran it to our guard. I
Okay.
got a phone number and everything. I'll send it to you.
All right. I'm just going to bring her in.
Florence's blatant blaming of her mother is a classic psychological manipulation tactic to deflect attention and avoid responsibility. Each time she changes her excuse, from needing privacy to think, to blaming her mother for not leaving. It shows a desperate attempt to control the narrative. This was not just plain dishonesty, but a conscious attempt to undermine the credibility of the key witness, even if she was his own mother. The very immorality of using a family relationship as a shield added to the seriousness of the original theft.
So what you are going to do, my daughter?
She's under arrest right now
Why?
for retail theft. So she'll be able to be released from the Naperville PD jail in about 45 minutes or so.
45 minutes.
Yeah, it shouldn't take very long.
Maybe I disturb her or bother her.
That might be.
Yeah.
Might be. And you're just doing your job as a mother and what you think is right. But
No,
either way,
she
she's
may not want to.
Either way, she can't leave the store with all those belongings. She can't do that. That's against the law. Okay.
Did they say how much it was?
Not yet, but it sounded like a decent chunk. Has she ever been arrested for theft before?
I think so.
You think so?
Once.
Yeah.
Once.
Okay.
Only this time I bother her.
Okay.
Because I don't want, because she always bought a lot of things, so it hurt me.
You could
So
grab her
I
phone
want
number
her
already.
not to do that.
Hey, Mom, can you stay with this officer for a second?
She's just gonna go to the station. She's gonna picture, fingerprints, and then she'll get a court date. And she'll show up to the court date.
I'm listening to you.
Well, I don't know. Is she free to go?
That's up to the other officers on scene right now.
She's not going to tell the truth. She has done this to me multiple times, but she's not going to tell the truth. So in any case, I fully believe.
Here's what I do know is that okay. Here's what I do. Never mind. Here's the facts though, Barb. You left the store with a lot of merchandise.
Thank you for it.
It was in your possession at that time. That's illegal. You can't do that. You got it? It's as simple as that.
So Florence, too, was eventually charged with serious felonies, including second-degree burglary and third-degree petty theft. These charges reflect the true severity of the offense, far beyond the naive need for privacy excuse. What makes this case all the more tragic is the complete destruction of the mother-daughter relationship. Florence was willing to use her mother as a shield for her failures. It is a bitter reminder of how far some people are willing to go to avoid responsibility. What do you think of this insensitivity? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.